Hey guys, it's Kai, and today we're putting up an electrical fence. Unfortunately, before we can run the fence, we're first going to have to build a weather box for the controller. Ow! Uh-oh. So now that we got the box built, we have to mount the controller inside the box. And for that, I found a couple of these self-threading screws. Yes, it's cheap, but I don't have to buy them. I pre-drilled 4 holes into this box, and now I'm going to mount it. This controller is an AC powered controller, so what I'm going to do is plug it inside the greenhouse. But in order to do that, gotta drill a hole through. This is our fencing wire, and it's 250 feet, a 17 gauge wire, and I'm going to hook it in to the post on the controller. You can probably do this whole project on your own, but if you need to, get some help from a friend. Hey man, need any help? No! Then you just start running your wire through the fence posts. Putting up the fence posts for the electrical fence are pretty easy. This is what they look like. Place them in the ground and shove them in. The instructions say to do it about every 10, 12, 20 feet apart. I've done mine probably around every 8 feet. Now, I've reached my last fence post, so all I'm going to do is I'm going to go up, miss one of the rings, hit the next one, and I'm just going to go all the way back through the fence again.
No, come on, Mr. Groundhog. It's safe. I promise it's safe. Just come through that fence. Yeah, just come on, Mr. Groundhog.
Now, eventually you're going to run out of wire, and you're going to have to reconnect it with a new spool. The way you're going to do that is there's these little things called line clamps. Take one out, I'm going to attach one end, attach the other end, and then you keep going. Next thing we're going to do is take this grounding pole and hammer it into the ground, take this clamp, connect it to the grounding pole, use an insulated wire, connect it to the clamp, and then connect it into the grounding pole on the controller. Now this insulated wire does not come with the kit. I had to get my own, which all I did was take a wire and cut it off of something else, and I'm going to be using that. So at this point, the fence is supposed to be hot. I plugged it in, and this is the tester that comes with the kit. I'm going to touch one end to the ground, the other end to the fence wire, and we'll see if we get a little light on there. And we do.
What you don't know there, Mr. Groundhog? You're gonna get shocked. Ouchie, ouchie.
Of course, now that we have the electrical fence up, I think it's a priority that we manually test it.
Ouchie, ouchie.
So if you guys are interested to know what kit I used, I'll put it in the description below.
Ouchie, ow, ouchie. That's it, bye-bye.